All right, with this West 2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Benolf, we continue to track some strong and even a severe storm here for the next couple of minutes in northwestern Volusia County. So that's why we're jumping on just a couple minutes earlier than usual tonight, just to kind of cover the action for you. Plenty of evening showers and storms. We'll go right to the radar now and kind of highlight things here for everybody. A little lightning now, as a collision has come together nicely. There's Palm Coast, down towards Bunnell, back towards Pearson, over towards Astor. Some really strong showers and storms there. Nicholas McLean, Genesis Evans, Mary Evans, Hope Joseph from Waresdale, all in the house. Good to have you guys tonight. Lots of activity tonight. And these storms are kind of building up towards the east-northeast here, back towards Corona and Favoretta. So we'll watch the trends here for our friends up towards Flagler County. As you can see right there, a big push of storms right through here and building up towards the northeast. Bimini, Bunnell, Corona, and Palm Coast, just to mention a few. There's that severe thunderstorm warning now, remains in effect here for about another minute, and then it looks like they're going to let this one expire. We did have a bit of a hail core here earlier, not seeing that as much now. From Pearson back towards Marineland. So some good news on that front, that this storm system may be in a weakening mode. Maria Sophia, Mayra, Melinda, Connie Austin from Belleville, Francis, Jessica Vasquez, Suzanne Slater, dark around Rock Ledge. There was a lot of dark clouds for sure. You guys know my motto, by the way. Sharing is caring. The more people we can reach by you guys sharing these Facebook Lives, especially when there's active weather, the more people we can put in the weather. But look how that line of storms is just coming together. There's Astor right along 17, Paisley, Altoona, Umatilla, down towards Eustis, Mount Dora, kind of coming together right there. Widen out that view. Showers and storms here from Sanford to Longwood. Deb Ford, Deltona is going to get in on the action for sure. Diana Radner, Port Orange is in the house. Lisa Cole, Michelle Attardi, Jojo Hernandez. Mets taking 2 or 3 from the Braves today. How about that, my friend? There's a look now at the storms over towards Disney, back towards Windermere. Celebration, big time thunderstorms now over that way. Janice, Terry, Diane, Jennifer, Breeze in Daytona for sure. Tracy Resnick has popped in. Trace, always a pleasure to have you. There's a look now at Winter Haven. Big bulging storms there coming up through Polk County. But again, looks like Brevard County, you're going to be okay. We'll have to wait and see if these storms here further to the north can build back towards the east as we get deeper into the evening. Now, let's take a look at the temps and why these storms are kind of coming together. Part of it is that we've got a lot of heat. Rain-cooled 79 in Orlando with all those storms around. Vived's in the house. Brian, Suzanne, Margie. Marge hanging in there, covering these storms for everybody tonight. Kathleen, what way is it all moving? Kathleen, depends on what part of the line you're talking about. That's the nature of the beast here. So the northern flank, interestingly enough, is building back towards the east, but the southern flank is kind of building back towards the northwest. So it's kind of all over the place, and that's typical with storms this time of the year. Let me show you what a couple of the evening computer models are doing with the progression. Sea Bears, Nick, James Donnelly, Popka area. Yep, Popka's going to have some storms developing there. See, this model right here, way underdone. Not covering it enough. Let's take a look at the HRR, see if that's doing a better job. And the answer is yes. Look at that. Northwest Orange County, right there. Showers and storms, and then kind of fizzling on it from 11 o'clock on. So there you go. Let's see what how much rain the HRR is going to be going with here. Kind of load this one in, and it's looks like it's a little bit underdone. Christina Kuster, good evening. Let's see, almost melted. Yeah, Citra was pretty hot, no doubt about that. All right, let's take a look at the next system here. Set up here for Thursday and Friday. That severe thunderstorm warning was just allowed to expire there in northwestern Volusia. Nicole DeLior, Marla Rumbling in Windermere, Sarah Dudley, Tracy Resnick, Maria Gonzalez. The whole group is in the house tonight. Look at that. Tommy Soto has popped in. Thomas, good to have you there. Here's a look at Thursday. And Friday, you can see plenty of heat and humidity and sea breeze showers and storms. Yep, starting to fill in back towards Lake County. I'll take you there in a second. I want to show you a futurecast here for tomorrow. And you can see quiet in the morning, but just like tonight, look at that collision right there. And then building back towards the west as we get more of a southeasterly wind flow during the afternoon tomorrow. You can see I-4 west, greater rainfall amounts during the day tomorrow. Elizabeth Haught has popped in. Let's see here. Tony, you need a... busy. Yeah, I'll take that coffee. Jules McKissick is in the house. Lee Lake getting loud thunder. Yep. All right, let's go back to the radar here again for everybody. I'll kind of break this down. You did? You got your notice, says Viv. I love that. All right, so you can see how the storms are really coming together. There's Palm Coast. There's a look at Flagler Beach, Bunnell. You see along 100 and 11, really heavy showers and storms there. Pearson coming down, Astor coming down. Look how this is all just kind of building together. Paisley, Umatilla, just like that. Back towards Eustis, Tavares, Donna, Mikey Falco. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, emojis are beautiful things. I love those emojis. Love the shares. Follows and likes are also kind of cool too. Pouring in Bunnell, says John. Yep, John, you guys are getting crushed. Leesburg is hearing the thunder off towards the east, back towards Tavares, and then down towards Astatoula, Groveland, and Claremont. There they come, the showers and the storms building up right along that line very, very quickly there. So they're going to get some really good rainfall amounts between Mascot, Ferndale, Claremont, and the Citrus Ridge areas. This all builds off towards the west. Pamela, bring those storms to Melbourne. Hunters Creek. Hunters Creek is improving. You still have a few showers around. But the worst for you appears to be over unless we get some really goofy outflow that shoots back up to the north and the east here from this. But you can see the rain here is moving off to the west. We'll have to wait and see if anything can happen with that next little feature. So a little bit of a hail core right there, just to the east of Eustis and south of Umatilla. Sarasota got hit pretty good today. Mary Ellen and Manny Gonzalez, Point Siena. Let's go down your way. Point Siena, yep, Point Siena. Just to your west, but trying to build back your way. There's Davenport, there's Haines City, there's Celebration, and there's Citrus Ridge. You can see the focus is building off towards the north and the west. Let's see if we got any cameras. Cool looking sky, very tropical-esque right there. We don't have Lake Eola. There's World Center. Just had a whole bunch of rain there. Love that shot. And then back towards the coast. We're getting ready for that Falcon 9 tomorrow. Downtown, nice and dark. Melbourne, not too bad. High Point, not too bad. We got our New Smyrna Beach cam up and running today. Kimberly George, bad thunder lighting Umatilla. The lighting knocked out my power for a few minutes. Kimberly, thanks for your update there. We're going to go right back to that radar here in just a second. Looks like there's anybody's going to be... I wouldn't say a washout, but there will definitely be storms there for sure. No doubt about that. That's kind of a cool shot. That's kind of a cool shot there too. St. Pete Beach, beautiful. Look at all those people still on the beach. And then New Smyrna Beach, not too bad. A couple rain shafts there. Back towards the interior. Woo woo! And there's our camera right downtown. Love it, Vived, yes. So do I. So do I. All right, there's a wider perspective. Satellite radar. And you can see that collision right there. And then it's just kind of coming together. So there it is. Palm Coast. Bunnell. Brevard is not going to be getting rain tonight from this. Sorry. Pearson, Astor, Paisley. There's Umatilla, just kind of building southward now. There's Tavares, down towards Astatoula, Groveland, Claremont. This is all trying to build back to the north, and it's trying to connect with the energy there up towards Tavares, and likely will, by the way. Friday we will have afternoon showers and storms. Look at that big cluster of storms. Wow. Just boom, just like that, just like lighting a fuse and then filling on in. All right, let's take a look at the velocity product here. I'll take off all these arrows. Give me a second. There we go. Look at that collision right there. Pretty good showers and storms. A little bit of an uptick in lightning south and west of Claremont, back towards Mascot and Bay Lake. Another little developing storm there near Longwood. Big collision here just took place right over Tavares, just now to the west of Astatoula. So that's what we're seeing right here. As that collision came together, the storms are pouncing on up now. Kathleen M. Johnson has popped in. Look at that. Eustis, Umatilla, Mount Dora, getting in on the rain. Groveland, Claremont. There it is. There's Dr. Phillips. There's SeaWorld, Celebration, Citrus Ridge, Davenport, Haines City, Lake Wales. There you go. Building up towards Mascot, Webster, right along 50 now, and lifting northward. There it is. See, lifting north. En route there towards Astatoula, and soon to be Yalaha and Okahumpka. You guys are going to get in on the action here. We'll get deeper into the evening. Molly! You know that's right, Molly. Thank you. Molly, how's the weather up by you today? Ormond Beachside. Okay, Ormond Beachside. You're looking off to the north and the west, and you've seen the storms right there. It's trying to build that way. It's slow, but it's trying. There's no doubt about that. I'm going to do one quick thing here. Just going to look funny for a second. Going down that line there real quick. Tampa Bay radar. Jacksonville radar. MLB. Just want to get a couple different volume scans. Ooh, what is that? That's bogus. All right. So, yeah. All right. Not seeing anything that says rotation. Molly, I saw that. Elizabeth Babon. There you go. So that's a look at that. Radar's very, very active tonight. The rain rates also pretty impressive. Look at that. Boom. Start getting the purple 2+ inches per hour. Mary Evans. Kim Duncan Kip is in. Big Thunder. Look at that. Love that. Vanessa Kilo Ikai Moon. Karen Parker. Big Thunder Lightning in Claremont. That is correct. Coming your way. Coco. Nope. Carla. Sorry. None for you. Kim Duncan Kip. Getting loud in Claremont. Yep. That's the storms building back over your way. Brian Bedore. Let's go back to that. There's that line of storms. Pearson, Astor. There's Paisley, Umatilla, Mount Dora. There you have it. So while these are getting going, the stuff that was on the eastern side here is definitely in a weakening mode. There's Davenport, Point Siena, fill it in now, back over your way. Celebration getting in on the heavy rain. Citrus Ridge, Disney getting hit pretty good. Bay Lake, Claremont, South Claremont, Mascot, just to mention a few. Yeah, nothing severe now, Brian. They were severe earlier. Debbie Beezer, good to have you there. Deb, yep, we need the rain. No doubt about that. All right, so now I do want to show you, again, tomorrow, real quick, just like today, we get a late collision. There it is. Right around 5 to 6:30, and then drifts off back towards the west. Temps tomorrow are going to be hot. There it is, tomorrow afternoon. Lindy, yep, I'll show it. Give me a second, Lindsay. Hold on a second. 90 to 95 tomorrow. Heat index values are going to be triple digit, but they're not going to be as high as the last few days. So 101 in Orlando. We got 99 Daytona Beach, maybe 100. And then Melbourne, 100, 101, somewhere right in there. Reese Stewart, Douglas Cottrell, Beverly Wells, all in the house. Don't forget the emojis and the share. Sharing is caring. The more people we can reach by you guys sharing these Facebook Lives, the more people we can put in the weather know. Now, I want to show you the weekend. Got this little wave coming at us from Miami, Saturday on to Sunday, so there will be plenty of moisture in place with numerous afternoon showers and storms. You can see from Orlando west, the next couple days, that's where the heaviest rain is going to be, along with the northern Gulf of Mexico. The weekend forecast for now. Thank you, Vived. Power just look, it says Maria. Joe, I hope not. Thomas Perry, good to have you there. 91, 92 over the weekend. Numerous showers and storms both Saturday and again on Sunday. So there's a look at the tropics. This little feature here near San Juan is the, call that a Tutlow, tropical upper tropospheric trough. Tutlow. Nothing to do with King Tut, but there's the spin right there. And then another wave coming off the west coast there of Africa. Oops. It will build back towards the west. There'll be kind of more of a low rider. We take a look at the water vapor channel across the tropical Atlantic. There's your Tutlow near Kingston, over towards Haiti. A few waves there coming at us now off the west coast of Africa. Now the water temperatures, remember, starting to creep up. Cabo Verde nearing 80 now, nearing 80. So we'll continue to watch that, because as it warms up there and these waves come across, it gives these disturbances plenty of time to develop and try to become something stronger. All right. Water vapor for the Euro shows the Tutlow, lots of weekend rain. Another little wave there going due west towards Belize City. Another wave there into the southern Caribbean. And then another little feature there, the Cabo Verde Islands. Let's take a look now at the GFS. Doing pretty much the same thing with a decent wave there west of the Cabo Verde Islands. So there you go. Good night to you, Mary Evans. Oh no, says Terry. Not to worry yet. Not to worry yet. There we go. Thursday, Friday, 70, 50, 60, 60. Rain chances as they go up, our temperatures come down. Bring that along. Oh, there we go, Vived. So Thursday, Friday, 94, 93. That's right, Doug. Kevin Conrad, good evening to you. Thank you for popping in. Temperatures are going down, pops going up, especially as we head into the weekend. 60% with highs in the low 90s, and then temps climb right back up as we get you into the beginning of next week. Colleen Cahill is in the house. Colleen, good to have you. Appreciate you popping in and saying hi. All right. Linda Sue, Thundering in Crescent City. Marcia Shanner, hello to you. Good evening to you, Colleen. All right, guys, love the radar, so let's go right back to that radar. Lots of storms here as our collision has been right in this little area tonight. Right through there. And then a little collision of outflow boundaries down there. So plenty of things we're watching. All right. You can see the showers and storms. The interior of Flagler County. Right along the Volusia Lake and Marion County line. Some showers and some storms. Nice little development here. Right over Eustis now in Umatilla. Gonna get it. Yalaha, Astatoula, Montverde, Groveland, and Claremont. As you can see right there, showers and storms, showers and storms. Disney, Citrus Ridge, all kind of coming together right there for you guys. There it is. Disney, Citrus Ridge, Davenport, and Point Siena. Some really good rains. All right, real quickly here. Let's go to the temperatures around the US of A. Low 70s northeast, 100 southwest. Weather around the good old US of A. Little feature up near Toronto. Showers and storms in the Gulf of Mexico. Showers and storms up through Montana. There's our Tut low right there. Now, we got a brand new flood advisory right there for Volusia County. Very heavy rain continues to come down right there. And we'll have to wait and see if Lake County near Claremont and Groveland need a flood advisory. Here a little bit later on. Vivi Val, Four Corners is having Vivi Val, it is going to be going on a little bit longer. Shelly Ann, good evening to you. We're covering some pretty good storms tonight here through Central Florida. There's the Four Corners. Plenty of showers and storms around. Shelly, how was your day? Did you get your shopping in? Arlena Lee, good to have you there. Groveland looks like it's going to last a bit here. Definitely looks like it's going to last for a bit. So there it is. Astatoula, Groveland, Claremont, that's going to last for a little while longer for sure. All right, we got Arlene, you're welcome. Arlene Mize has popped in the building. There's Groveland. I see plenty of rain now. Point Siena, back towards Kissimmee, Disney, over towards Windermere, Dr. Phillips. Pretty good showers and storms. Dolores Salerno Gino's in the house. Tommy Elliott, good to have you there. Storms are not coming your way there over towards Oak Hill. Dolores, you're in good shape. Almost not. Neil, let me see if I can find a camera over there. Yeah, there's Epcot. They've got it pointed just to your southwest. I'm in Webster and Thunder's going crazy. Debbie, it is. Just be careful there. You're welcome, Dolores. Downtown cam is down. Smyrna Beach is looking good. Got a brand new camera there. Look at that lighting. Lots of lighting. Go right up and down this again. Melinda, sky is dark in Leesburg. Joe Johnston, good to have you there. There's Shell Bluff. There's Salt Springs. There's Astor. There's Paisley. Look at that. It's coming together. About to connect now between Astor Tula and Tavares. That's cool. Heather Ellis from Brevard is in the house. Heather, good to have you there. No rain for you. New Smyrna is not under a warning. There was a warning in far northwestern Volusia County a short time ago, but none here now locally. We're going to watch this kind of come together here over Lake County. We'll have to wait and see if there's a flood advisory issued there. Right now we got that one lone flood advisory near Astor and Pearson. Very heavy rain ongoing there. Point Siena, Kissimmee, Claremont, and now this is all coming together between Astor, Tula, Tavares. This is all going to link up. Yalaha, I like your chances of getting rain. Claremont's in the house. Joey Kensington. Avalon got a break today, Joe. Yep. So there you go. All right, let me wrap it up with the look at the 7-day forecast. And then I'll continue to keep an eye on things here for you throughout the evening. There's your 7-day right there. 94, 93, 91, 92, 94, 95, 95. So a little bit cooler heading into the weekend and then heating right back up Monday and Tuesday of next week. Thunder and lightning seems to have calmed down here in Champions Gate, but the rain is falling as hard as any point. Excellent report there, Neil. Yeah, it's building up to your north and your west, but there's still plenty of rain down there for you to have as we go through the evening hours. All right, guys, I'm going to take a break, give my voice a rest here, but I'll if I see something, I'll jump back on, whether it's on Wesh.com, Facebook Live, or on Wesh 2 News. Have a great night. Stay safe, and I'll have an update for you tonight at 10 on the CW18 and again at 11 on Wesh 2 News. Have a wonderful night. Again, stay away from those windows until the storms have subsided. See you guys.